ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again to my channel. For those who do not know me yet, just call me Donna. And I would like to say my special regard to my subscribers and my viewers. How are you over there? I hope you're all doing fine. And please be with me today as I demonstrate on how to marcot a bougainvillea. I know most of us like bougainvillea. So, let's do now. And please watch keenly. Before we proceed to the marketing of bougainvillea stems, I'm going to introduce to you first the sample of marketed bougainvilleas I made last February in the middle of summer season. And they turned, or this one turned successful, and it has many roots, and we can cut this now. You may wonder why the roots of bougainvillea cannot be seen very well, because when marketed, their roots turned small, and we must look at them carefully to identify the roots from the coconut husk that we used to marcot, like in my case. By the way, this kind of bougainvillea is a variegated lilac. The leaves are already beautiful, so when they give flowers, they look more beautiful. And this is one of my favorite bougainvillea. Another sample of marcot. This one is also variegated, and the color of the flower is fuchsia. For now, they are not bearing flowers because it rained for many consecutive days or weeks already, and only few are bearing flowers. Okay, so here are the roots. They look so small. Okay. This one also, they call this variety of bougainvillea as popcorn. You see the roots. And another, this is yellow variety. I forgot the name, but you see the roots are see this one, the roots are many, and it's a successful marcot. So you may wonder how I did it on summer, because the best time to marcot bougainvilleas is during the rainy season. So what I did was I just made a marcot and watered by spraying a hose with water almost every day to keep them humid so that they will produce roots. Before I start the demonstration on how to marcot the bougainvillea, please subscribe for those who did not subscribe yet to my channel, and hit also the notification bell so that you will be updated on my uploading of my next video. First, we are going to choose a stem that is healthy and little bit matured, like this stem, and we'll take the thorns in order to clear for the marcot, and also the leaves of course. And then slowly, then estimate say this is less than 1 inch. This is okay. Okay, we will get the outer skin. We slice in a round manner. Then we take the skin slowly. Because too much scratching will make our marcot fail. Okay, finish scratching the stem that we are going to marcot. We will clean if there are still residues of our scratch outer skin. Then we will now start wrapping. Same with my previous marketing videos. We will use this plastic. This is a recycled only. Then we'll put flake coconut husk like this. Because, or why are we going to use this coconut husk? It is because this will serve as a neutralizer of water that will come into our marcot, in which the upper portion, this one here, will be catching the water in order to make our marcot wet always, and then on the lower portion, this will drain the excess water in our marcot. Okay, so before during the dry season, I made this coconut or flake coconut husk wet, but for now that it is already rainy season, it's okay for this to dry, especially that afterwards I know it will rain because of the dark clouds. Then we will put little combination of organic materials as I always used for my marketing and potting. This is made up of the dry cow dung, old stock rice hull, fine sand, and a little ash, and fine charcoal. And I put this already, the juice of the cacahuate, hagunoy, and neem tree, which I soak overnight. You will see that on my previous video. I will see the link of my marketing videos and the link of my how I did my marketing soil. That is very effective, tested and proven by me that it's very effective, and the marcot bear so much roots. We will see to it that the soil is at the center, so that it will not hinder the upper and the bottom portion when we are going to tie afterwards. So after wrapping the scratch portion, we will use this strip of straw to be tied tightly so that the insects or no too much water will come into our marcot that will cause its failure. So we are going to wrap now. Okay, so see to it that when we wrap the scratch portion, or it should be at the center of our marcot. Do like this. We squeeze a little to make it tight. Then overlap the plastic. Okay, slowly while pressing to make it tight, because our marcot should not turn around, and I will show you afterwards. Then we wrap this straw. So tightly, and like this. So we wrapped already the upper portion. Now we go to the bottom portion. You must aid or do the overlapping of the plastic properly, like this. Then we tie. So finish tying, check if it is not turning or not, if it is turning or not. So it's now so tight and it doesn't turn. So surely our marcot will be successful. So we will wait for 1 month, because during season we can harvest our marcot for 1 month. Only if they are small stems, it will take only 1 month for us to harvest, because when the color of the marcot are already brown, like what I showed you a while ago, you can already harvest, because that is the sign that the roots is already, or the roots are already matured. So that's all, and I hope you now know how to marcot, and this is applicable to all plants or to any plant, and especially for the beginners. So I hope you enjoyed and learned how to marcot for those who do not know how to marcot yet, a bougainvillea. And I am doing this for how many years already, and it proved to be very effective in propagating bougainvilleas. So please like, subscribe, comment, and share, so that others may also know how to do the marketing of bougainvillea. So take care, God bless, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.